So you're holding a brand new smartphone, and maybe you're feeling a little lost? Hey, that is totally okay. You are in exactly the right place. We're going to start with the very first step, and honestly, it's the most important one, the power button. Here's what we're going to do together. First, we'll just get comfortable with your phone. Then we'll walk through turning it on and off. After that, we'll cover what to do if you run into a little snag. And finally, we'll talk about your confident next steps. Sound good? Let's get started.
All right, let's dive in. I get it, a new piece of technology can feel a bit overwhelming, but we're going to make this super easy, I promise. We're just going to take it one simple step at a time.
Before we even touch the phone, I just want to say that learning something new, especially technology, it takes a little bit of courage. So seriously, good for you for being here. Let's take a deep breath. You've got this. So what is this power button, really? Think of it just like a light switch for your phone. It's the main button you'll use to wake the screen up and then to put it back to sleep when you're done. It really is the front door to everything your phone can do. Okay, so where is this button? Go ahead, pick up your phone and take a look. It's usually a small button on one of the sides, maybe the right, maybe the left. Sometimes it's even on the top edge. Just take a second to find it on your phone. Now, this is probably the most important part. The power button does two totally different things depending on how you press it. A quick, short press, that's like tapping a doorbell. It just wakes up the screen so you can see the time. But a long press, where you hold it down for a few seconds, that's like holding the doorbell down. That's the one that turns the phone completely on or completely off. All right, let's actually put this into practice. And remember, this little button puts you in control. You're the one telling the phone when to get to work and when to rest. Ready to turn it on? Let's do it together. Okay, first, find that power button again. Step 2, press it and hold it down. Don't let go right away. Just keep holding it and wait patiently. After just a few seconds, the screen is going to light up, probably with a picture or a logo. The second you see that, you can let go. Now, it's perfectly normal for the phone to take a minute to fully start up after you see that first picture. It's kind of just thinking and getting everything ready for you. So take your time. There is absolutely no need to rush it. Great job. Now, how do we turn it off? Well, it's pretty similar. You're going to press and hold that same power button again. But this time, instead of just shutting down, a little menu is going to pop up on your screen. One of the options will say something like power off. All you have to do is tap that option with your finger and your phone will shut down. Okay, now let's talk about those times when technology doesn't do exactly what we expect on the first try. And believe me, that is perfectly okay. Let's look at what to do when things don't seem to work. And I promise, the solutions are really simple. So let's say you press and you hold the power button, but nothing. The screen just stays dark. This is super common, so there is no reason at all to panic. Let's figure out what might be going on. There are two really simple things to check. First, the battery might just be empty. Easy fix. Try plugging your phone into its charger for about 30 minutes and then give it another try. The other thing, you might just need to hold that power button down for a little longer than you think. Try holding it for a full 10 seconds and see what happens. And please, please don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the hang of this. It's just like learning anything new, right? It takes a little practice. It is completely okay to try it a few times until it feels comfortable. So let's wrap this up by talking about what you've actually accomplished here. You came here today to learn a new skill, and you know what? You did it. I really want to leave you with this thought because it's just so important. You are doing great. Always remember that learning new technology is a journey, not a race. It takes time. So be patient and be kind with yourself along the way. You are in control now. You know how to turn your phone on, how to wake it up, and how to turn it off. That is the most important first step of all. And you've mastered it. That is a wonderful achievement. Hey, if you found this little explainer helpful, we would love for you to subscribe. We put out simple, clear explainers just like this one every single week to help you feel more and more confident with technology. Thank you so much for learning with me today.